Good morning, I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. Stocks fell Thursday after another hot inflation report and a decline in jobless claims showed the economy is holding up amid Federal Reserve's rate hikes. The Producer Price Index, an inflation indicator that tracks wholesale prices, rose 0.7% in January, topping a Dow Jones consensus forecast for a 0.4% increase. The new data comes after January's Consumer Price Index and retail sales report were both higher than expected. Both inflation readings this week point to the stickiness of inflation and that the fight against inflation will continue. The Dow Jones Industrial Average shed 1.3%, the S&P 500 dipped 1.4%, and the Nasdaq Composite fell 1.8%. Microsoft and Disney contributed the most to the Dow's decline, down more than 2% each. Investors will also continue watching the company earnings for signs about the strength of the consumer. Dropbox, DoorDash, and DraftKings are all scheduled to report Thursday after the bell. Travel Centers of America, which runs travel centers under several brands, has agreed to be acquired by BP for $86 per share in cash, which is an 84% premium to the average trading price over the past 30 days and a total equity value of around $1.3 billion. And Piedmont Lithium and LG Chem have signed an equity investment and binding offtake agreements with implications for ASX-listed Sayona mining. Piedmont Lithium has signed agreements with LG Chem for a $75 million equity investment and a commitment to offtake 200,000 metric tons of spodumene concentrate over 4 years. LG Chem will purchase 1.1 million newly issued shares of Piedmont common stock, resulting in an approximately 5.7% ownership. Piedmont will provide LG Chem with SC6 and priority negotiation rights for lithium hydroxide and use the funding to advance various projects. Piedmont has a 19.99% stake in ASX-listed lithium miner Sayona Mining, so it looks like Sayona and PLL will sell lithium concentrate to South Korea's LG Chem, with the suggestion that LG will produce the lithium hydroxide themselves for 4 years, then Sayona will have the refinery finished, which they then will most likely buy lithium hydroxide from Sayona. Piedmont shares are up 70% year to date. And in the sector news, all S&P 500 sectors closed lower overnight. Consumer staples and utilities were the best performers, whilst consumer discretionary was the biggest laggard. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.3% fall. Thank you for listening.